Well guys, as you can see, it's been raining all weekend. It's gonna be a bad weekend. And it's Memorial Day weekend, man, so I was thinking, alright, what else can I do in order to pass my time and wait for Monday? So I was thinking, what can I do in a day like this? And I decided to start looking in YouTube for nuts and things that I can do while I'm fishing. Something that is fast, something that, trying to improve myself a little bit. And I found out that pretty much everybody's recommending all those crazy knots that takes at least 5 to 10 minutes to make. And that's not what I thought I would find. So I decided to give you guys the 3 easiest knots that you will ever use, no matter what. Those are the knots that you will need, and that's pretty much it. It's really simple to do, really easy to make. Let's get into it. Here we go, guys. This is the fastest knot you can ever do. Grab your hook, get your line through the eye of the hook, double your line back like this, twist your hook a few times, grab the tag end and put it through the loop that you just created and pull. Alright, this is gonna get really tight in there. All you need to do now is just cut the tag and you're ready to go. This is a knot that I use when I'm on the rod out there, when the bite is on and I need to move fast. This is a great knot. Although I hear people complaining that this knot is gonna get undone on braid line, I've done it on braid line and it never happened to me, so give it a try. Alright guys, our second knot is the uni knot. It's called like that because it can be used for pretty much anything. It's a universal knot. So I'm going to teach you a few variations here. Let's start with the hook. Just get your line through the eye of the hook, get back through the line, make a loop. You will go through this loop as many times as the line allows you, but I normally go from 5 to 7. This line is really thick, so I'm not gonna push it too much. Put the tag in. After that, you just pull your line. This is what you end up with. A beautiful knot that will never get undone. Trim your tag in. You're ready to go fishing with this. Real fast, real quick. I'm gonna teach you another use for this one. As I said before, this knot can be used for anything, and in this case we're gonna do like a line to leader union in here. So we're gonna get the loop, we'll go through the loop a few times, just pull the tag in. The other side we're gonna do exactly the same thing. Let's just make a loop in here, go through the loop a few times, pull your tag in, and then you get both lines and put them together. Pull, and as more you pull, the tighter it's gonna get. And it's done. Just trim your tags. Ready to go. This is a really good knot. This will go through the tip of the rods of many rods, pretty much all the ones that I own. It worked with it, and this is something that will never get undone too. So check it out, guys. This knot can be also used for tightening the line to the reel, for a lot of applications. The only thing that this knot is not good for will be wire to leader, and I'm going to teach you that one now. So as I told you before, the only thing that the uni knot is not going to work with will be wire to line. So let's make that wire to line knot in here. I'm going to get my wire, I'm going to make a U on the tip, just going to turn,
the wire around and squeeze it there. Then I'm gonna get my line. I'm gonna put it parallel to the wire, grab the tag end, pinch everything in the corner and go through, make a few. I will go around the wire a few times, all right? Once I'm there, I'm gonna go through the eye of the wire. I don't know if you can see it. And I'm gonna pull the line. Just gonna pull the line and you're gonna feel like it's a little crack in there. Okay, once you're here, all you have to do is, so you can see the wire there, has a little tag in there. It might get in your fingers, it might cause some harm. All you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the tag end of the wire, move it around a little bit, and it will break like that. And trim your line tag end. And that's it, guys. That's another knot that will never come undone, and it's really safe. You can run your fingers through it. You won't get catch on anything, and it's a really good knot for you to go line to wire. Well, as you can see, that was easy enough. Something simple to have in mind, something that you can do anytime. If the bite is gone and you need to re-rig real quick, or you have a bunch of Mahis under the boat and you lose your hook and you need to re-rig, guys, you know, that's the bottom line. You know, once you are out there, you are not thinking on sophisticated knots and you're not trying to come out with crazy, sophisticated, beautiful solutions. What you're trying to do is you're trying to get the fish. And to get the fish, many times means do it fast, do it quick, something reliable, go for it. If you have any suggestion or anything you think it would be better than what I just did, put it on the comments. I'm glad to answer all my comments. I read all the comments, and everything is pretty much there for you guys to enjoy and for us to share, because the whole bottom line here is for us to share knowledge and to share what we know with other people and gain from people as well as giveaway. So there you go, guys. This is Salty Tales, and remember that I love you.